Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating smooth scrolling animations in Wix Studio for 2025. Today, we'll explore every step you need to elevate your web design. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the Wix Studio interface. Here, you'll find essential tools and options that will help you design effortlessly. Now, let's set up our project. Make sure to enable smooth scrolling in the settings to get started. Next, we'll add some dynamic background and foreground elements to enhance the animation. Drag and drop items seamlessly. Creating anchor points is crucial for smooth scrolling navigation. Let's learn how to set these up correctly. Now, let's implement some scroll-triggered animations with the powerful tools Wix Studio offers. Watch how your design comes to life. It's time to preview and test the scrolling animations. This step is vital to ensure everything works perfectly. Here are some expert tips for enhancing user experience with smooth scrolls. Remember, a better experience means more engagement. Almost done. Let's publish your Wix Studio project and showcase those smooth scrolling animations to the world. And there you have it, your full guide to smooth scrolling animations in Wix Studio for 2025. Remember, practice makes perfect, and creativity knows no bounds.